It's week 5.5. It's really week 6, but with only three days to work, just didn't feel like a full week. Yesterday it was kind of wasted, today a little bit wasted, and then we're leaving. And then I painted, and so a lot goes into prepping, and then the paint needed to dry for what, like 2 days? And if you'd like to come check it out, let's go.
What you working on?
The basketball. I was the basketball.
I am taking a video. What you want to show me?
A swamp. Double. The plastic.
Really?
Feels.
You sold it. You don't press any buttons, you're taking a video.
Okay, so what I'm using to paint, everything's taped off, masked off, everything's covered. What we're using is our Graco Magnum Pro X17. It is an airless sprayer. And I will say, I am one who hates painting. Absolutely hates painting. But this makes it really enjoyable. The worst part is masking everything off, but I kind of think it's way faster when you just have this and you just go through it, and it's like, oh, it's all done. So I really like this. This is a very, very good investment, and it's really easy to use. So
How do you set it up? Like, what does all this?
So this would be drain tube. First you start off with water in a drain tube and sucks it all up, gets it all out. Then you put it in paint and you make sure the paint goes through. And it's a whole process.
How do you make sure that you don't, it's not too watery or too whatever?
So,
Like, what mistakes have you made? Tell us.
So I just put it in start and went to painting on our first time. It was so goopy. Well, I didn't realize that you're supposed to turn this knob, which lets more air, or no, not air because it's airless, but it does something to where it makes it thinner. It thins out the paint that comes through the tube. So I was like, oh, okay, you're supposed to spin that. Fun fact. Here, let's do it. What if I just did that to you? I mean, would you go crazy?
I mean, you'd have to buy me a new lens, so if you want to do that, sure. Got these?
Alright, so as you can see, everything is painted, all the walls, cabinets, everything. It's amazing what just a shot of fresh white paint does to a space. Okay, so as you can see, like I said, everything's painted. We gave everything a fresh coat of white paint. It just, man, it just looks so good. So, trimmed out this bathroom, doorway, that's trimmed out. And then was starting to do the shower pan. So I've got the base, then I've got my liner, and then my weedy board will go on top of that, and everywhere else that tile will go. So, still got a nice angle. So everything will drain.
Do you have some tile? So that is the tile.
And so that's it for week 5.5. It's unfortunate that a lot more didn't get accomplished.
It's really week 6. Let's just call it week 6.
Yes, okay, it's week 6. It's unfortunate that we didn't get a lot accomplished. But next week we'll hit the ground running and get a lot accomplished. Drawers, possibly tiling, who knows, whatever I decide to do. So, stay steady. See ya.